Yo,
Yo, what it do? What it do, man? We in the building. We're back. We only did one day last week, man.
Yeah, that's
Right.
true.
So the people been missing. People been missing us,
Mhm.
And you
man.
tweeted it. So I gotta retweet it.
We're back.
Yeah, let me
You said
retweet
what?
retweet
Oh
your
shit,
tweet.
I didn't even tweet that. You right. I ain't do no tweet. I usually have like a nice little headline. Let me send this out real quick. You right.
Yo,
What up? What up? We got Strat King in the building. We got Strat Soldier in the building. What's good? What's good? What's good?
it's
That's
good,
because last
Lottie.
week's Strat Soldier said last week's trading was trash. Absolutely. We're gonna talk about it. Was a weekly doji, bro. Traded that hash.
Right.
That shit was garbage.
Mm.
All right, I am. We live, baby. All right, Ben. There you go. Okay, what's good? What's good? We got Maurice in the building, man. Welcome to Late Night Leverage, everybody. I'm one of your co-hosts, Zay, aka the Maverick. We got my boy Quadree and Drez in the building. What's good, fellas?
What's popping? Man? How's
What's poppin',
everything?
man? All right, fellas. So tonight, man, we got a pretty decent agenda, man. We got to talk about last week's indecision doji, right?
Mhm.
Last week indecision doji. Uh, earnings, right?
Mm. Yep.
Netflix. Shout out to Netflix today. They reported. Uh, and then we got to talk about the bull versus the bear argument. It's a lot of bull versus bear arguments out there. Um, a lot of different signals, a lot of mixed signals. And so yeah, man, and of course we'll if a trade opportunity presents itself, we'll
You
also get
take it.
into that, man. You know.
Yeah, man. Yes,
Um,
sir.
so with that being said, I do want to do a weekly recap real quick, and then that will lead us into um, that'll lead us into the weekly indecision. So I'm gonna just take the screen back real quick, Dre.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So last week, right? Last week we left off on Tuesday, right? So we had our last show on Tuesday. Now, mind you, did we talk about the big sell-off that we had on Friday last Tuesday? I think we did talk about that, right?
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
We did. Okay. Um, and so since then, all we've done is continue to be inside of Friday sell-off candle. Shout out to Strat Soldier and Strat King. They would call that a mother bar. What's good, Mike? They would call that a mother bar, right? Where we have yet to break this high or this low when it comes to the ES. Same thing with I think the NQ. Let me go see. I think the NQ actually took. No, we did not do that. We have not taken out the high yet. So the NQ is still currently in that mother bar. And then the YM is outside of that mother bar and it made a new all-time high today. So shout out to the YM. And then the RTY broke out last week and made a new all-time high, and it has come back into range a little bit. So once again, like we said, man, it's a lot of mixed signals here, right? And so when we go back to our main indices, mainly the ES and say what's that gonna be, the ES and the NQ, we mainly have indecision candles, right? We got indecision candles. So the main thing is, most people, or depending on what strategy you want to trade, the main thing I would say is most people want to see for the uptrend to kind of resume, us to take out this high on the NQ. Same thing for the ES. Or if we're going to really be in a downtrend, we need to retest these lows from that sell-off candle on Friday. right? And with that comes a lot of indecision. So that's where the market is, right? That's where we stand. Also, I would say today, gold experienced the worst sell-off since 2020 or some shit like that. Where today gold was down 5.39% today. Took a shellacking.
Yes, it did.
But a much needed pullback. After all the, I mean, look at all this gas though. I mean, it was just gas. So, much needed pullback there in the gold sector. And so yeah, so that's where it kind of leaves us, fellas. So, with that being said, I'm gonna open it up to y'all, kind of just, where y'all stand after this indecisive week. We'll talk about earnings in a second. But yeah, just where y'all stand at with this thing right now, fellas. Let's see who else we got in the chat. We got Austin. What's good, Austin? What up, my guy? Strat King. That's my boot camp mate right there. What did he say? He said he don't want to come clean that China won't sign a deal, so he trying to intimidate them into publicly, but they not budging. And yeah, you can see the market wants that deal. I already made my money with gold at the market opening tonight, but I'll hang out with the fellas. That's why D. So yeah, Dre, he took that gold short you was talking about. But yeah, Dre, you on mute, just FYI.
Yeah, I was saying goodnight to my daughters.
Oh, okay,
All
okay,
that
my
time
bad.
in the house. Yeah.
So yeah, so how y'all feeling? With this indecisiveness, man. A lot of mixed signals. How y'all feeling, fellas?
Go ahead, Quadree.
Mike say SPX test October 10th lows.
Yeah, man. I'm in between. Like, yo, I can see both sides of the argument. Whether we gonna go, should we sell off or should we continue to rise higher, right? So as we talk about, I'm just gonna look at the names that I'm in. I feel like
let me pull. You want me to pull your screen? I'll pull your screen up.
Oh, yeah,
Just
I'm
in
in
case.
and go right quick. But
Okay.
Yeah. So I want to see. I lost my train of thought. So yeah. So I think that I'm in between. Like I can see where we could fall down. There's a lot of signs pointing to the downside. We also could potentially top out. But I'm looking at names that are already down that has my setups that I look for. So stay in those until they trigger me. Otherwise, not to be on those.
Got it. All right, and I wanted Quadree to go first because he is in the middle, right? Yep. He's in the middle. What'd you say, 60-40?
Yeah, 60-40.
60. Yes. You got what? 60-40 bear, 60-40 bull.
It's the bull side.
Word. Dre
so
bear. That's what we need to call him.
Yeah, man. I mean, for me, man, I'm my little on the bearish side. I really not liking this price action up here right now. And I don't know. I feel like the market just that Friday I was not in, but it threw like completely out of left field. This drop right there.
Hold on. Let me pull yours. Let me get to your screen. All right, go ahead. You got it.
Yeah, this day.
Yeah, the infamous Trump tweet.
Yeah. So now I'm just seeing, we coming retesting those high, and I don't know. Every time I feel like yesterday was gonna be a breakout. Today just came out on the left field with some again the taco thing. Either we're not with China. Like I don't know what's going on, and I hate to be in the market that type of environment when it's one tweet away, you just drop 20%, and there's a lot of mixed signal, like you say, a lot of signal telling me be cautious. So I'm a little cautious up here, and I track the yields. I'm tracking bombs, so a lot of mixed signal. Like the market is undecisive, pretty much. up here. It's earning season, so I give you that. Could be a good earning season. This market don't care about nothing, just keep pumping. But myself, I'm not there yet. And also this shutdown is no data for me to even take off from. It's just weird market, man. It's just weird. It just I feel like we just one headline away from 5% day type of day. You feel me? So that's
Hmm.
that's me. That's me.
Word. I mean, and then for me, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I'm on the bullish side. Well, yeah, I don't. Yeah, I'm on the bullish side. My bias is to the uptrend, or I'm giving the put it this way. I'm giving the tilt to the bulls, right? Because number one, it's been a bullish market all year, right? It's been a bullish market all year, so you don't want to fight the trend, right? As well as you don't. For me, I don't want to fight the Fed. Um, I know the Fed is still planning on cutting rates. So regardless of if we got NFP data or CPI data or not, the Fed's still going to cut rates. So to me, that doesn't sway me. Um, like we said, it's a lot of mixed signals. So what I've done is I've chosen to simplify my system for now. So all I'm focusing on is the VIX and the monthly 50% levels. If we are below the monthly 50% retrace levels on the ES or the NQ, then I'll switch my tune. As well as I need the VIX to be, it has to be sustainably above 18 to 20. So them two conditions have to be together. Like we got to be below the monthly 50% and the VIX need to be above 18 to 20. If we have those two conditions, then I'll sing another tune.
Yeah.
Until then, price is still above the monthly 50%. It back tested it twice and bounced off of it, both ES and NQ. And today the VIX or Fridays. So Dre, you talk about Friday's sell-off candle.
Yeah.
Friday's
Yeah.
VIX candle was crazy for me because
Mhm.
the VIX got just crushed. Um, it got all the way up and damn near hit 30, and then it just straight completely puked. It reversed and puked. The levels I was looking for was I wanted to see it take out like that prior before it got this big run up. I wanted to see it take out that low, so that would have got it below 1861, which it did yesterday. And then today is below 18. So for me, if the VIX can get back below 16, then we're back in a swing traders environment. And like you said, the last piece for me is when I think about what can create the next leg up for the market, it's earnings. And we're in earnings season. And then shout out to one of the guys that we watch, FX Evolution. And not even just him. I mean, shout out to Mark from the Come Up series because he's actually the first person I ever heard tell me this. But I think a lot of folks are looking for a pullback in price and forget about you can have a pullback in time. So really what I think is happening is the market is just churning. That's allowing for example, the weekly 20 EMA to catch up. And we could just go sideways and churn here right under all-time highs. And then eventually you get through earnings season, and then that gives you the breakout. And you go to you have your next leg up. And I don't know if Jay is in the audience, but Gamma, we technically gamma positive. Like if we don't go gamma negative till we get under 6,700, and if we get through the 6,800 wall, bro, that shit could lead you to a gamma squeeze straight up to 7,000 quick. So I don't know, man. I'm not completely sold on sell to rip. Like it was brief. I think Friday probably looking like a little shakeout. Shout out to Apple, all new all time new all what is it, all-time highs. Um, well, I was about to say Amazon, but I think they down after hours because of this whole Google stuff. But like Quadree said, I think I just look at like some of the Mag 7 stocks and I look at the rotation that's going on. And I think Quadree, well, he said it to our community, which is that you're seeing like the frothy shit is getting hit. So
Yep.
the quantum and all of that shit that was getting majorly pumped, like that's getting hit. So that's kind of hurting the sentiment because that's where all the retail people flashing their money. But when you look at where it's rotating, it's going to quality stocks, it's going to quality companies. That's what you want to see anyway. So I don't know, man. Yeah, I'm just not sold. Like I ain't sold on this is the top. I do see, not saying Dre saying this, but I do see a lot of people out there saying, oh, this is the top, like this is it. This is the end. The market is this about to be it. And I'm just not sold on that, man. I'm just not sold. You know what I mean? I'm not sold, bro. There's no other way to say it. I ain't sold. When you got Amazon just basically flat, you telling me Amazon not going to finish the year positive? You got Apple still only positive by 5%, and we still got 2 months left. We starting to get to the very end of, October is the most volatile month. So for me, I think sellers are running out of time. And once we wrap this month up, if we get up out of October and this is all we get, let's see what November brings. Because if November start out with a bang and it's on and popping, then yeah, this was a pullback in time, and this was the buying opportunity.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not calling this is the top. No, that's not what I'm saying.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said I know you ain't, but bruh, it's people out there that's saying this the top, like this it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Like I see more downside here because I mean Bitcoin is telling us a story right now. Like that thing is getting crack city, and that for me that's risk off market. It's on risk off right now. It's digesting what's gonna happen in earnings season, whatever. Like it rejected perfect the 50% that I was telling you this morning, and we didn't close above. That was my main thing. We closed. I said it. I told yesterday. I think Mike or this. I don't remember. If we close above that 50, I'll be like, okay, we're doing something. But that rejection is telling me chill. So it's weird, man. It's a weird market for sure. You just gotta wait. You know, I, your stock can do whatever. Your apples, your whatever you like. Whatever your companies you care. But market, I think is Rick Scoff is heading that way for now.
Mm-hmm.
Until FOMC or whatever's gonna happen with this shutdown, because they taking this way, dragging it way too much. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, the last time they had a shutdown, the market went up 10%.
Yeah, but on no data, and now this guy saying no deal
Yeah,
with
on no
China, deal
data.
with China. This is crazy. Like it's weird.
Yeah,
Like this.
and to that point, right? I think all of those are very valid concerns, but for me, I just lean back on the wall of worry, right?
Hmm.
Which is, I mean, think about all the other shit we had to deal with all this year, and yet the market continues to just keep on climbing. Like this is not the first time we had to deal with this China stuff and all this back and forth. The first time it caused a 20% correction, right?
Yeah.
Then he and then like you said, the taco trade. Like I think it's a little bit of what Strat King is saying too. I don't know how. I mean, it's hard to interpret. If he can't get China to sign a deal, and so he's doing all this posturing. I think there's a lot of posturing between both of them, or whatever the case may be. So who knows? I think China definitely has some leverage. You know what I'm saying? Um, I don't know how much he really thought he was going to get out of China in the first place. That's why I don't even know why he really trying to play so much hardball. Um, so like you said, those are all valid concerns, man. Um, I think it does add to the wall of worry. And again, it's like we said, it's hella mixed signals because at one point it's like what we had. I think we had extreme fear right now. You got
Yeah,
the AAI. I think the AAI sentiment. The last time we looked at it, let me pull this up real quick. I think like 46% are bearish. Like for me, that's a contrarian signal for me. When you got damn near 50% people are bearish, you already know Dre fade the herd. The herd is bearish. That joint is 33% bullish. I'm like,
Yeah.
that's just again, but like I said, I'm trying to keep it simple. So I ain't even the two conditions I said. I need to see the VIX and I need to see us below the monthly 50%. So if we do that, I'll change my tune. Until then, man, I don't care. Like I know you said Bitcoin saying risk on. I take Bitcoin with a grain of salt because truly that's supposed to be an uncorrelated asset. As well as you got gold on a stampede. So yeah. Let's see. Austin said right now from a physical year standpoint, this pump higher straight out the gate makes me cautiously optimistic for Qs. The opening of the new year candle, if we reject it, I will then be bearish. Got you. That's like a long way down, Austin.
Yeah.
Strat insist. I think the market is waiting on earnings. I agree, Stat Soldier. That's for me. That's one of the major catalysts is earnings. You know what I'm saying? If earnings do good, then I think we can get that next leg up. If it's bad, then we'll see what happens. Then shit. Then it might be the top. I'll say straight up. If earnings bad, that might be the top. Do remember Black Friday of 2021 precipitated the 2022 downturn. If we got a 20% correction off a speculative tweet, imagine what we get with confirmation that it won't be a deal. Well, so okay, striking. That is okay. We gotta fix some of the facts here, bro. The 20% correction at the beginning of the year was not just off of a tweet. That was when this motherfucker came out with the liberation board and put tariffs on everybody. He did the King Kong, ain't got nothing on me, bro. Like all y'all getting tariffs. All y'all gonna be in the Pelican Bay when I'm done with you. So like that wasn't not just no tweet, bro. Like we gotta fix that there, my guy. That was not just a tweet. There was a lot more to it than just a tweet. Now what I will say though is we got a 3% sell-off on just a tweet.
You're right.
Which was last Friday.
Yep.
I give you that one. We did get just a 3% sell-off on just a tweet, right? And so we'll see. What we got? He said you can't get in someone's face trying to make them flinch and they don't jump. China don't care what he says. China keeps saying bring it. Once gold hit that double top on the 1 hour, 4 hour, it was right. He's still talking about that gold trade. Bitcoin is supposed to be unaffected by it. Yes, it's supposed to be, but now that institutions got in,
I was gonna say institutions.
Yeah.
It done changed the game. You know what I mean? It done changed the game. And that's another reason why, like, when it comes to Bitcoin, I think it was my guy FX who mentioned it like yesterday or the day before yesterday. He was talking about we now are getting close to what's called the law of diminishing returns. As you get higher and higher and more money, those 50-60% crashes aren't going to be as common on Bitcoin. It's just going to be your normal 10, 20, 30%.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying, type of pullbacks. He said no, the yearly open. Oh, you said no, the yearly open of next year. Now, okay, that's what I was about to say. Austin, that is a far, far away. That is so far, bro. That'd be like a 30% drop.
Yeah.
Like if we pump up and then make a wick. Yes, I got you. All right, I follow. My bad. I follow. Also, I got you. Yeah, that was tariffs. 2026 high of the year on market day one, like 2022 with a line. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, but okay, even if that's the case, we still gotta go higher. We ain't in 2026 yet. We just reset in March with a new AI pump. We in a new Rudy said we in a new bull market. I don't know about that one, Rudy.
Well, Rudy Gates.
Rudy said we in a new bull market. I won't. I think we still in the bull market that started from. To be honest, I think we still in the bull market that started in 2020 from the COVID crash.
Yeah.
Some people will say some people say the 2021 2022 pullback was that they say that was a bear market. I don't agree that was a bear market. I just think that was a very prolonged correction. And then 2022 just made a higher low. And then the bull cycle just kind of restarted. So yeah,
business cycle.
I go on the whole 10-year cycle where every decade you get one crash. You get, I think it's like two or three 20% corrections, and then you get so many 10% pullbacks or whatever. So for me, the new 10-year cycle started over in 2020 when COVID happened, and that should run through 2030. And Dre, if we really want to get fancy, we could tell them about the 13, 14-year cycle we did, because that was the real one right there. You go look from like 81 till 94, from 94 to what was it, 01 or whatever. I forgot the math we did. I had to go back and look. But the cycles get even bigger.
Yes.
Yeah, was it 04 from 90? Yeah, 90. 04. Yeah, you're right. 91 to 04. Because then it was like 04 to 2016. And then from 17 came out to be like 2030.
20, yeah.
Or something. We were somewhere in that area. Yeah.
Damn.
So no, I mean, I think like everybody's saying, so Dre, he said, what's the business cycle indicator looking like? You got that, Dre. I went to your screen. What that's looking like?
Let me see. There is. It's still bullish.
Strike said 480 SPY and a what? Wait, 480 SPY on fall, 69.80, 1226. Go back to boy, you doing too much, dog. I'm not. I am not. He said, "Let me stop." Just because you said, "Let me stop," I ain't even gonna read that, bro. The 10-year combo, it comes with one crash, two bull markets, one bear market. Would you like that, superstar? My bad. All right, yeah. What's the cycle looking like, brother?
Let me see. This is the line.
Man, and this overnight looking like it's about to be God.
I gotta find that ticker.
Mm-hmm.
I don't.
If you don't got it, I got it. I think I got it saved.
You got it. You do.
I got you, bro. I think I got it saved. Yeah, give me 1 second. Yeah, here it go. Here it go. I got it. Type in USB COI.
OI.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Yeah. Look, I even chart this shit. Okay. Yeah, man. Well, now we got room. We got room to run. You still we always top around 60s, 58s. So this is when the top happened, like 2018 topping, 2021 top. We still got room on the ISM. It just when
Yeah, so yeah,
right.
still looks good, right? Mm-hmm.
So we got still room to roam. So that's why I'm not calling no top. That's why I'm still I'm not, don't get like I could be a bear, but that's only temporary until we get to the weekly 20 at least. But yeah, we still look good. Bull market still popping. We're not calling no top here.
What's good, Mick? He said above NFP Friday and previous month 50. I expect a higher
Here
price
we
when I
go.
get
That's your guy
below.
right there.
I know. Yeah. He said yes. I get we didn't do NFP Friday. We're still using, bro. I'm with you, Mick. That's what I said, bro. I've simplified my shit. I need to see below monthly 50, and I need to see the VIX be above 18 to 20, and then I'll be a bear. And I won't even be a bear. I'm refraining from using bear and bull terms. It's either I'm a buyer or a seller.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't. I'm
That's
not
better
using
way.
that. I'm not saying the whole I'm a bull bear. I don't care, bro. Either I'm a buyer or I'm a seller. So if we get below the 50 and we see
Yeah.
the VIX above 18, 20, I'm a seller.
Right.
Jay, he in the building. Okay, Jay, we need the gamma data, bro. He said moon mode. So Jay, okay. Hey Jay, so look, bro. I was hoping you was here earlier, but are we gamma? We are. From what I see, I think we still gamma positive, right? And then confirm this other part, which is if we get through 6,800, we go to 7,000 based on gamma, right? Is that what your dashboard say? I'm gonna give them a second. You know they got that weird delay.
Yeah. Well, Larry, I need Larry the bear. I need somebody in my team, man. It's lonely to be a bear by myself.
Bro, I'm neutral, bro. You feel me? Like,
Bro, you okay? So look, hey, look, Quadree.
You and Mike Four yesterday, man. Y'all were talking bonus and stuff. Yeah, niggas.
Hey, look, hold on. I'm about to show where
like,
Quadree at real quick. Watch it.
I'm
Let me
definitely
put
in
up on
between,
my
man.
screen real quick. So look, this how it look.
That sounds quiet.
You
Quadree,
fall,
you
boy.
right here, bro.
I'm the neutral, yep. Right there in the neutral.
Quadree in the neutral. Dre right here. He went to 46% people.
Yeah,
I'm over here.
there.
I'm 33, bro. I'm with the 33 percenters.
It's just so many. I was quiet because I was trading. I took that short on gold. But anyway,
all right. So Jay did say, yes, we are positive gamma, and then 7,000 December call wall. My guy.
Yeah.
Okay. That's what it do.
We got
Quadree, let's look at that gold trade, bro.
all right, TP, bro. I think
all right, that's what I'm saying. Let's look at it. Where you get in?
Well, I took the long here. You
took a long?
I took a long here. I got out here. Then I took the short here. I took out this low.
Yeah. This shit going lower, bro.
We almost at 8 o'clock. That's what I'm trying to wait on.
Wow.
Who gold?
Missed that trade. Yeah, man. Missed that trade again.
Dre,
I'm surprised gold keeps going lower though.
You see it, Dre?
See. Yeah, I do.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, gold about to do a down 10% week.
So remember I said last week, it's easier for gold to go. I gave you a crazy ass range, 25,000 to 7K.
Oh, yeah. That's right.
I said it's easier to go to 25K,
2,500
than 7,000.
Yeah.
Even though we were looking bullish as hell. But is that risk to reward fat? Like, 9 weeks straight is not You don't see
Is
that.
that what it
much.
did? 9 weeks. It was 9 weeks of straight green.
Yeah, nine
Yeah,
weeks I had put on
9 weeks straight green, bro. That's crazy.
Yeah, usually you get like 2 to 3 months of downside after 9 weeks of straight highs.
Damn,
Yeah.
now you're right. 9 weeks. I just peeped that.
Mhm.
he said, tell him to run the statistics on that short. New Strike King, look, bro. Look, man, we still in camp, bro. We
You
can't
gotta
even.
learn.
I'm
Yeah,
not even talking about that until I'm
Nah.
done.
Yeah, man.
I
Yeah,
just gotta stick
strap.
to my old. I gotta stick to my old ways for now, and then once the show over, I go blank, and then I wake up at 5:30.
yo.
Yeah, man. Nah, it's go. How you like the thing strap? I know you asking hella question, bro. I like it.
Yeah, it gets better.
No, it gets better. Hell, it gets better.
Nah, because man, listen. When Dre showed me, so now I got all. Yeah, oh yeah, strat, yeah. You get used to it after by next week, you be all right.
Yeah.
Strike King, are you on East Coast? What time zone you on?
Right.
Yeah, we might go down to that blue, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh no, we are. I missed the trade again. 2 nights in straight. Well, I missed this. I missed because I was in soccer practice.
I'm trying to
Soccer
not
season still going, Dre?
Yeah, this week and next week is the last. That's it.
Oh, okay. I got you. He said, yeah, I'm in Delaware. Oh, okay. All right, I got you, Strike King. All right.
Yeah.
I mean, it ain't that bad, bruh.
Nah, bro. 5 o'clock. That's nothing, man. I'm trying to make this chicken. 6 a.m. Watch when you get that
That's
swag.
what I'm saying. My alarm go off. Yeah, my alarm go off at 5 o'clock anyway, so I'm already up. Especially, and then shit, it depends because if my little one come in the room, I might be up at like 3. Oh,
And also Go is a good Wednesday is one of the best days to trade Go because we like to trend. So you like trend straight like setups, Go you
man, bro, it been trending for 9 weeks.
I mean, that's what I was. I don't look at Go. I was told Wednesday is the best day to trade Go.
You're like, yeah, good, bro. That shit been trending for 9. It been all you had to do was just like you used to say, just press buy to open. Not no more now, but
no. Yeah, no man,
not no more now. But beforehand, all you had to do was just press the buy button, bro.
Right. We got 5 minutes. 8 o'clock.
I was just
got no
about to say
data.
I'm about to get ready. I'm looking at.
Yeah, man, about to click some buttons, bro. Let's see. I think I might go a long goal, but that's me.
Yeah, I see it too. Nothing. We have we have none today. At 7:50,
data.
At 7:50, we had Japan trade balance, but that wasn't nothing. That was a yellow folder. That's it.
That's it.
Okay. Shit, we don't even got we don't got nothing for the U.S. market till Friday either.
CPI, right?
Yeah, but so I read an article today talking about CPI. I read an article today that a lot of people skeptical of what this data gonna look like because it's like, what's the shit? I'm probably fuck this word up.
Validity.
The validity of the data. Being that you had people, the government was shut down. Are they going to try and tweak it? Like, what are they measuring? This and that. So I don't know, man. But like I said, it shouldn't fucking matter because the Fed gonna cut. It don't matter.
Right.
Well, I'll say it shouldn't matter, but it probably will, depending on what it will. Depending on what it does, the algo is gonna go crazy. But the Fed gonna cut, bro.
Yeah. That's facts.
So
it's tracking funny as that first CPI since 2018.
What do you say? CPI on Friday. Oh no, he's saying it's the first time we had CPI on a Friday since January 2018. Is that true?
I think so.
This
It's
the
never
first
been
time we
right.
got CPI on a Friday since 2018.
Yeah, I got this. There you go.
Man, that shit about to be hot as a bitch.
Get your puts ready, man.
Huh?
Get your puts ready.
No bull, yo. That shit about to come in like fucking 3.5%. People gonna go crazy. Oh my god, it's the end of the world.
Yeah, man.
All right, got 3 minutes. Come on, man.
3 minutes.
Like, yo, what the heck? When that happens.
Oh no, go dropping. Hold up.
No, but part of me want to protect myself. Part of me like risk Russian roulette. Because my thing is they can sell, let's say if we do go bear, I feel like it's gonna be a real quick flush and we gonna buy it right up.
Yeah.
And I'm saying like even if it's 4%, 5%,
that shit gonna happen in like 2 or 3 days.
Yeah. And yeah. That I agree. That you see, that I agree. It's gonna be a flash crash, boom, boom, and whoop.
He
Right
said
back
we
up.
made a low week on Friday for 2 weeks. This will be third.
And
when was the last red Monday? All the people who say the market don't bottom on Fridays went into hiding.
Well, to that point, and I did tell Dre this. I mean, we was talking like we did so far. It's only been 2 days of the week, but Monday looked like the high right now, right?
Yeah.
So
What else? Yeah.
So
Higher week.
This is the high of the week. Well, Austin says.
No, but no. Say no. Say. All right. Let's talk about this. Say. Put my screen up. If you can.
Hold up, you gotta. All right, I'll pull it up. But you got a question. Somebody said, "Are you bearish because of Netflix?"
Who, me?
Yeah, you the only bear, nigga.
No, not bearish because of Netflix. No way.
He said, or Trump news. He said, "Sorry, I just got in."
No, he been bearish since last week.
Right.
I'm bearish last week. Yeah, I've been on my bear train. Pause. Anyways, so this right, you got my screen up.
Monday high week, bro. Yeah, I do. Wait, side note, y'all saying Monday high week is a bearish week signature, but that's not the high of the week. The high of the week came today. That's a Tuesday.
Yeah.
Monday and Tuesday could be instant highs.
No, you're right. I get that part, but I'm just clarifying. We keep saying Monday. I'm like, bro, Monday won't the high of the week though. We went higher today.
Yeah, we did go higher today. Yes, correct. I'm looking at gold. That's why. My bad. I'm looking at fucking gold.
It's so cool.
I'm on a gold chart.
All right, but go ahead, Dre. You got it. All right, so FYI, we hit 8 o'clock too, bro.
Oh shit. Hold up. Nah, go drop it.
Go drop it, bro. Damn, I should have took that shit a little longer.
Damn, y'all missed that shit.
Bro, I was in
Damn, random missed that shit twice in a row.
Oh my god, yeah, that thing getting cooked, boy.
Man, I'm out.
30. Yo, that joint did 30 points during the 7 o'clock hour. Oh my god,
that shit is gold is the new NQ in Asia, bro. I'm telling you. Yeah, my guy. You don't understand, bro. This shit's different.
Hey, yo, you funny dog.
Yo.
He said it's the new. It's the new.
So, okay. Good game. So, this is that candle that shook everything up.
The
Friday at 10. Then we came. We did the pump, then drop. Came against the pump, drop again. Then Friday was a bullish. Then we leave in this gap right here. This nice ICT volume imbalance gap, whatever y'all want to call it. It just price did not touch each other. And I said in our community, I don't like it. I don't like that gap because it seems like it.
Ooh,
It seems what happened.
ooh! I just caught 2 bands on gold. God, dang!
Oh, he is killing. Oh my god.
My
Yo,
joint.
what?
Oh,
Yo,
whoa! This drop is getting violent. What is going on?
Whoa, bro! Shit.
damn.
All right, I'm done. I'm done. I
Yo,
didn't get
that
it.
hour, yo, that hourly,
I
yo,
didn't
that
get it.
hourly crazy, bro. Yo, this shit is getting violated.
Yo,
I
gold
seen it
is
drop from. It was
Hey, yo,
just
bro.
at like. Woo,
yo. Wow.
Yeah, bro.
all right, my bad, Dre. We done cut you all off. This nigga.
No,
No,
All
no,
right, go
no.
ahead.
That's
Go
fine.
ahead, Dre. God,
So-
damn, that was another 25 points. Jesus Christ.
We came on Monday pushing like it was there's no tomorrow. And I said to myself, I do not trust this funk. This look too like we just straight up pump. No nothing. Like we didn't even pull back. Right? We came up the gate. Right here. Yes, where's yesterday? Yeah. Yeah. Came, boom. Where we go to, we come here to these highs, these wick highs, right? So that candle's wick, this setup right here, okay? The swing low on the daily. This is the swing low daily. We came test once, twice. But today we did it 2 times. We did it overnight in Asia, right here, 2200. And then when Trump said some nonsense, he said, no, whatever talk with China.
Man,
Because
bro,
that,
he was just causing confusion, bro.
Yeah,
I'm saying, but the level's still there, like that. You gonna
Right, that's
tell
what
me
I said.
that?
Just focus on the levels. Who cares what
Yeah,
Trump
yeah,
said?
yeah.
Fuck him.
Like that right there is still like. I saw that. I was in my daughter's appointment, and I'm like, okay, we test that level now. When I put my higher time frames, what I track and what I follow, I see that we hit my weekly level overnight, reacted, came back into that wick, reacted. Now we inside Tuesday range, right? We in that middle. If we lose this mid tonight or overnight, and we start selling off, there's no like I said, there's no um, structure here. It's just gonna slide onto retest Wednesday, Sunday, or you could still go higher, make the new higher week, and then drop again. That's what I'm at for this week. But I don't see us like unless Elon Musk says some crazy shit tomorrow on Tesla, and this shit just go. It just go. But I never. I'm in sell the rip mode. So I hope we pump
Yes,
overnight.
Mike, they are. He said, "Yo, go short spare."
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. What's that?
Damn. Yeah, I ain't gonna front. I'm looking at gold too right now. I'm like, God, oh my God. I was ready to take the short at the open, but I was like, I might retrace.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, shit looking bad. Look at this. Yo, Quadree, you still short? I hope.
it hit my TP, bro.
My name.
My TP was to like 40, 83. It blasts right through that.
Damn. Now this one I got stopped out right last night here on profit. And he gave I'm sick.
Yeah, that thing did all of that and more, and still keep going. Yo, Mike, funny. Yo, gold better than NQ. He said, "How about 2K?"
All right,
Hey,
Mike.
yo.
Now, Mike, don't hold your horse now, man. You know that trade go the other way. It's gonna hurt just as bad.
Yeah, boy.
That
Don't
risk
get
is different.
choosy, boy.
That risk
No,
is
yeah,
different. Gold will trip you up. It'll hit you with a
yeah,
mean way.
yeah. Gold is different, bro.
Very. Shit, if gold down like that, what's silver doing? Silver got to be getting cooked.
Can you smoke?
I took a paper loan with NQ.
You long and Q?
Yeah, I already made my. I made listen. I made my profit today. Tonight.
You, you got
Hell yeah,
overextended
boy. What? You killed that.
TP?
You smoked that gold.
Yeah, man.
It's just for practice right now.
Let me see what I got.
Yeah,
Look,
something
damn.
going down because, well, you know what? Yeah, everything going down now.
Yep.
Yep.
Going down.
It,
Why down? Damn. She
okay.
said silver and gold folks that FOMO then got clapped if you don't have time. Yeah, buddy. I don't mess with them precious metals, so I ain't tripping.
Yeah. I know it would be like, let me get some gold. Nah, I'm good.
Yeah, like I ain't about to be in no GLD or none of that, so I don't.
I knew stuff was bad with my cousin. My cousin, he be in the streets, bro. He talking about he gonna buy some gold.
Oh my god!
We top out, man. Top.
Yeah, that was
Tell.
a signal for real. For real.
I tell you, bro, straight
Yeah,
hustler.
that was a signal, bro.
Straight hustler selling drugs out of his house, bro. You talking about
Gold? Where?
he gonna buy some gold? I'm like, bro.
Yo, I heard that too. I heard that somewhere. He said, I think it was FX. He was like, now you got everybody talking about gold and stuff. He was like, that's usually not good.
Right.
No, I'm talking about somebody that's far from this realm.
No, I get you, but I mean, bro, did you see the? It was like, I think it was like, I don't know if it. Well, I don't say it was an article. It might have been like something I saw on YouTube or something. And they was talking about how like people who bought gold bars from Costco for like $2,500 a few like a last year or whatever. Now they can go back and sell them for like 4 or 5 bands back to Costco.
And that's not the whole purpose of buying that either. Like,
it's not.
Like when you buy that, like you store that. Because I want to get something down the line, of course, but of course not now. But I'm storing that junk away, bro. I'm not even trying to.
No, this shit still. I'm sorry, but it just keeps going.
Yes,
bro. It's already down, bro. I'm sorry, it's already down 1.65%.
Yeah.
God, dog.
Yo, you know, the quicker you go up, what they say, elevator down.
Yeah. Take the stairs up, elevator down.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, man. I want to see we touch those Tuesday low right here before I get anything long.
Yeah, I'm long right. Well, like I said on paper, I'm up right now on NQ. What?
This what's that? That's NQ.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is NQ right here.
Yeah, that's NQ.
That's right. Yeah.
Correct, Mike. I was gonna say yeah. Gold crashing through my my 20 EMA. It done broke that drink on a daily.
Yo, everything getting cooked. What the hell?
Everything. Like everything is red. Only thing that's green is oil. And actually that shit is barely green.
Go oil dead, right?
Oh yeah.
And you said you want to make oil. You say you want to make oil affordable for everybody, like $2, like $2.
Who said that? Trump?
Mm-hmm. I love that, boy. I'll be at the
they
gas
doing
pump.
it.
I'll be driving everywhere. $2 a gallon.
So yeah, right here, yeah, Bitcoin. That shit keep.
What the hell just happened? Yo, this is
Bro,
crazy.
this thing is getting slaughtered.
Yo, this the listen. Out of all the nights, this is the most eventful night we have had, though.
El Diablo. God damn.
Bro, that thing is getting cooked.
Who should go? Larry, you both go? Oh, Larry's in the building. You gotta ask Larry.
He's not. He bought silver.
Oh, this is just.
Yeah,
bro, it's not stopping.
I might just have to get one MGC and let it ride all night, bro. I ain't even gonna lie.
Nah, no, as soon as you do that, it's gonna bounce up.
All the way up. Listen, let me see how one.
Oh, that's a balance imbalance here, bro. Right here. On the weekly, on the daily. Yeah, this might be the stop. Be careful. Right here.
Damn, gold was the fucking trade, boy.
Yeah, hell yeah.
I call some of it. I should have hold on.
That's right here. That's like
he was quiet, dog. He was there. He got in that trade. Didn't even tell us,
bro. Because I was quiet. I was focused, bro.
That's like a 100.
I did bring it up. I said, "Yo, Dre, look at this." And then the 8:00 hour came. We didn't 8:00 hour
kept going.
Dang.
I did a little on the 15-minute. I seen my setup on the 15. We swept the previous 4 hour, and then we dropped down. God damn, that's perfect.
Damn,
jeez.
Yeah. Where?
Now I see what's crazy though. I see everybody used to trade NQ trading gold. I'm like, yo, I gotta get on gold.
Because the volatility. All right, so the volatility in gold is out of this world right now.
Hell yeah.
So,
hell yeah, bro. You getting a damn near 2% move in Asia. Shit.
Right, bro. It's ridiculous. So I saw that. Like they were talking in the pack, they were been talking there for like a month. This guy making hella money. I'm like, yo, what the hell? The gold? What are you talking about gold? Yeah, bro. That shit moving now. All right. So I did my bad test over the weekend. I'm like, yeah, I see what you see. So I started messing with gold on Sunday. Well, I started last week practicing, but I didn't know what I was doing because I didn't know how that thing moved. And then I officially bad tested on Friday. And I mean, well, I got huh?
So it's bouncing up now.
Yeah.
Like literally, so I got 30 points.
Let me see.
That shit made a low at 40.21, and now it's all the way back up to 40.60.
Yeah. Previous week low is here. 412. Let's see if we get it first. Yeah. I'm about to trade go.
Woo, that thing damn sure did. Damn sure did almost take
people gambling.
100%.
People, yeah. This is gambling right now. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm up 10 points on the NQ.
Damn, we literally touched previous day mid on NQ, and I missed it.
You was looking at gold.
No. That happened at open at 6 p.m.
Yeah, 6 o'clock. Yeah.
Oh, you talking about
earlier? Yeah. I was walking my daughter, bro. My daughter got no. They don't care, bro. They're not scared of nothing. They were right in the scooter, middle of the road, bro. Like being like, yo, chill. I'm like, I can't be on my phone like that. Nah. Chill.
No, you're right.
Yo,
Can't do that.
yeah. Nah.
See, this is like a big ass move on gold though. How many points is this?
2%, bro. We down 2%, right?
It is a they know it is a big move, Quadree. Shit, that joint already down 50 points.
Yeah, but I'm talking about the wick it just formed. That's 30 points.
Oh
That's
yeah, the wick was. I said the wick was 30 points. We hit
Yes.
40.
That's $3,000.
Back up.
That's $3,000.
3,000.
Yeah, you could have got that. Yeah, you could have took that long right there.
Nah, that's too risky. That's an MDC trade right there.
That's a what?
The micros on gold.
Oh yeah.
The risk like that. 3,000. Nope.
Nah. And Q dropping now.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't no news though going on. Like what's up with it? Like
Well, I think Jay put in the chat. What is it? VIX expiration is tomorrow.
Ooh. Okay.
So you got
and that thing is moving right now. This is
Who,
the big
VIX?
futures. Yeah.
Big futures.
This is up 1%. This.
That'll do it. There's got to be something popping. Let me go look at Twitter. Twitter world will always tell you what's going on.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, I know it's people who got those GLD options. I feel sorry for them, boy.
Oh man. Why you say that? They gonna get smoked?
No, it's already down 2% overnight.
Oh shit.
After what?
It's called a stop and profit with that, buddy. Especially them options that IV crush crazy.
I'm the first one of the first tweets I see on Twitter. Somebody said, "God damn, trading gold pays for futures."
Oh man. Yeah. There are people gambling out there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't see. Let me see. Do I see anything else? No impact on Japan by North Korea missile.
$8.30 might be the time to get long in Q, bro.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah, stop me out.
Mm-hmm.
He rejecting off that area though.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's see if I get a long one in Q in 10 minutes. Mm-hmm. Let's see. My indicator is Yeah, Quadree, your NBA is back today, baby.
Yeah, Chad Holmgren 13 for 13.
Who?
I mean,
KD?
no, Chad Holmgren, he like 7 for 7 right now.
God damn.
Y'all watching it.
Yo, you seen that lineup, bro?
What lineup?
Houston 5.
Yeah, too bad he got hurt.
Yeah.
But I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like OKC won it again this year.
Mm. I don't know, boy. I don't know about that.
Bro, they got the same team. Literally.
Yeah. I
They got
mean,
the
West a lot stronger this year, bro.
don't matter, bro. They got the same team. Bench is still loaded.
Hmm.
Think about it. All the good teams is hurt. Celtics, they don't have Tatum.
Yeah. Bro. Gonna see. Damn. They come getting.
Mm.
Yeah. Everything down, yo. What the hell? How was it called on Netflix? What they even say? Yeah, no.
Yeah, it was all right. It was a dope call. It don't matter though. All the
You
stuff
buddy.
they said AI, they generating AI to make their movies and stuff now and all this,
Yeah.
You know.
Well, I didn't. I heard they were buying something today. They were partnering with somebody was saying something that they might buy. What company they were gonna buy somebody?
No, I know it's the rumor. Like, is it like Warner Brothers or
Yeah, that
Paramount or somebody like that?
that yeah.
Yeah.
I seen
I
that
think it's just
flashing. It's just news bullshit.
yeah. I think it's just news.
Yeah.
Yeah, something. What the? Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I don't know. Some news about to break in a minute. People getting in front of it.
Mm.
But it move out gold. Dang, that just moved back. That's 52
It
points
moved
and
back up.
52 points in 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Jay said it's Warner Brothers. That's who it was.
Mm.
That's who it was.
Back.
Micro Bitcoin getting smoked, bro. I could have shorted that. Shit.
Yeah.
Micro Bitcoin. That's what's weird. Micro Bitcoin getting shorted is getting killed just like
Go.
gold is, bro. Only thing, the one thing about Micro Bitcoin is that it had a mean. I think it had a mean gap up, bro,
Mm.
over the weekend. Here
Yeah.
I'll pull it up in a second. Or Dre, you got it up? I'll pull it up.
NTB, right? No. What's that shit called?
MBT.
MBT.
Yeah.
No. MBT. Oh. This is right here?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that should be it. Yep, Micro Bitcoin. If you go to the daily for me real quick. Yeah. See, it gapped up too. So you see on Monday, it gapped up. So it's already done. It done took out Monday body.
Yeah.
So it's heading for Monday, Tuesday low.
Yeah. Damn. You see that monthly maybe key, bro. Look at that shit. Boom. Getting close. We get to that shit popping.
Here's the one thing I say about Bitcoin.
Hmm.
I want to know, is Michael Saylor stressed out?
He just bought more. He just bought more at 112. Like he said, he bought 160.
That's what I'm saying. Like, bro, if this dude not stressed out,
well, we stressing, right?
yeah, my nigga, he got way more money, bro.
You know what they could do though? You know they could liquidate him.
That's what I'm saying.
But
that's my point. Is like
he gotta sell.
That's my point. Is like, bro, he got a lot more at stake than us retail folk. Like this dude, whole company is at jeopardy, and his average price per Bitcoin is well over 100K because he been buying so much. So if he ain't stressed, bro, I ain't stressed because that mofo got a lot more to lose than I got to lose.
Stracky saying you got the sauce.
Oh shit! What happened?
Right.
Damn, I feel like all the moves done happened, man. I ain't about to. I'm not about to try to catch nothing after all these moves done happened, especially gold done. Gold now gold only down 1%, Dre.
Yeah, that shit nasty. Wow.
It's them bounces.
Oh yeah, so he bought 18.8 million last week of Bitcoin, so 168 Bitcoin at a price of 112,000. So he already down off that. $5,000 times 168. His average price is 74,000 per Bitcoin. He owns 640,418 Bitcoin. That's a high average price.
What's his average price?
74,000.
Oh, I thought it was over 100.
Well, now the Bitcoins he bought last week was at 112,000.
Yeah, I'm just saying. I thought his overall average was. But okay, that's not bad.
And that's what that argument, do you really put all into just one asset or you diverse? That's that big argument everybody talks about. I'm sorry. Me personally, bro, I don't know. Just listen, I'm in Bitcoin, but I don't know what it really is. I can read as many books as I want, but I really don't know what it is.
Digital currency.
I know that, but like I never you can't so the thing is, like, the other side to that is, now I'm pro Bitcoin, by the way, but the other side, when you really think about it, is like, bro, we get no statements on this coin. We don't know who it really is. We don't know who Satoshi is. On Polymarket, they said what Satoshi sell his Bitcoin. Like, how do they know who he is and how do they know what he's going to sell?
His wallet.
Oh, they follow his wallet.
Satoshi's Russia, man.
You said what?
Russia. Putin is Satoshi.
Yo, bro, it's like laying down on gold. I ain't gonna hold you.
What?
We gotta go real quick. Like, we about to drop.
Yeah, I'm waiting to get that weekly imbalance. Let's see what happens.
How much is this risk right here? Nah, it's too much. But yeah, that's the only thing. I would say if you really sit there and have a high level conversation, you're like, yo, what is Bitcoin?
Don't get me started high level conversation, bro. Don't get me started.
This track came, they kind of lost me with the Hide You Up. With Jack Dorsey from Twitter. Yeah, I seen that. They said it was him. But then I'm thinking about he don't have a lot of money. Well, he don't have. He's rich, very wealthy, but that means he'd be worth like $1 trillion.
On another note, let's check something. Q.
I know I'm Charles.
Right. No, I went.
That's another thing now, yo. Strat, like everything now, I don't know what to believe. I just seen 20 people I know this week made AI videos and commercials. Going temper long on NQ one more time. Just the last one.
You getting long, bro?
On NQ.
I'm waiting. I went in to see 23s first. 23, 20s, some round there.
Gotcha. Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
because that's where the swing low is, and that's where this little joint is too.
Yep. I feel that.
All right. So you close it to the stop too. So if I'm gonna get stop out, I'd rather get stop out now.
Oh, good night, Sean.
Here. Huh?
I was reading the comments.
Oh,
I wonder if she caught that gold trade. You know,
right.
she be
Most likely, yeah.
Man, I've been chilling on gold, bro. It went into that crazy trend, and so I just took my eyes off of it, man. I've been focusing more on the ES and shit. So, but no, it was a good short. Honestly, I was going to take it at the open, but I didn't take it because, like I said, I thought it was going to get a little bit of a retrace, and the next thing I know, that joint was down. But shit, I still could have for real, for real. Sean, I hope you feel better, boy.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, for the dude Eddie, he said the
I'm
main
like,
thing about
bruh. Go ahead, my bad.
nah, he said the main thing about Bitcoin is that it's decentralized and transparent.
Yeah,
I don't believe it's decentralized anymore.
yeah.
Now
That
this
part might not.
yeah. They said a lot, most of the Trumps have been on Bitcoin. So
Yeah. As long as you don't lose your wallet, you, you don't forget your password. You lose your wallet.
He ain't lying.
Yo, that thing is too-
yo, that dude was looking for his password for like 8 years in the trash.
You talking about the guy who lost his computer in trash?
Yeah, his Bitcoin is something. We had like 2 million Bitcoins on that joint, something like that.
Yeah, he didn't lose his password. He just more or less lost the drive they was
Oh
stored on.
yeah. That gotta be sickening.
Man, what? They said that shit is worth like 100 billion or something like that. Mm. Oh
Yeah,
my god!
gold ripping now.
Right? That's why I said. Oh, that's why I said. Oh my god!
Yeah,
That was looking crazy.
they back at point. It's down back to point. It's down 0.5 now.
It's down 0.5%.
Yo, what's going on, bro? Like I'm trying to see where's making these moves.
There's no settle to go up from. It just go. I'm not trying to catch a fire. No way. So I gotta be patient. Same thing with
That's why
NQ.
I'm saying. I said the same thing, Dre. I don't this Asia session been a little weird.
Yeah, just jumping auto, while and more. Like nah, like GameCube just drop, no setup, open and drop, and right here I'm trying to get this long, but
The longs
my
don't really
stop
want
loss,
to do nothing.
yeah, my stop loss will be here. I'm not gonna get here. 40 points away. Okay, now we dropping. Let's go. 40 points away. No way.
Bro, gold is about to go back positive.
Yeah. Yeah, facts.
No, like real talk, it was only down 16 points.
Mm-hmm. I see it.
We
I'm
just
like,
was
this
saying
is
we was just saying how it's down 60 points.
yeah. Goes is the NQ of night. That's for sure.
Hmm. Damn, I know them 15-minute candles look crazy.
What do they?
Yeah, work.
That whole 15-minute candle on gold, that 8 o'clock candle was 53 points.
Hmm.
Gold.
Vicious.
I'm just glad to be on the right side of it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you caught that short. That was nice, bro.
Facts.
Thank you. Now that I got these bigger accounts, I feel I can trade the minis now. Man, I'm comfortable now off the little 50Ks.
Hmm. We still not getting none. He said, "How you figure it's not decentralized? Who said it's not decentralized? Oh,
I feel like it's not only because of institutional involvement. I feel like it's too heavy. That's one of the main things that I liked about Bitcoin. No government involvement. Now they can tax you.
but you do realize that. But see, this the thing though, right? If institutions didn't get involved with Bitcoin, Bitcoin would not be at 100K.
It would not be where it's at yet. That I
Because
agree with.
retail money, you still ain't got enough money to pump it up that high.
Yep, that's a fact.
So you gotta take the good with the bad. You know, if you do want Bitcoin to go to $1 million one day,
Need that involvement. Mm-hmm.
because homie on the corner ain't gonna do it.
Shrek King funny as hell, bro.
Like you said, I remember that.
Nigga said, "Booker."
Nah, bro. The boot camp helped me. It made me, how can I say, the boot camp made me more confident as far as especially the more you know where price is going.
Yeah.
So that made me, I could put down more. No, sorry, I got more contracts. You know what I'm saying? My trading style was good, but now at the boot camp, I feel more comfortable with adding more contracts because now I had the statistics to show me like where are we potentially going.
And also, it give you like the classification of days. That's very key, bro.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
If you know what range,
My bad.
DWP, DMP, and I know you don't. I know you know the lingo. That's why I'm talking to you like this. It give you that. Okay, this is what might happen today. Let me get set up and look for setup that attract that trade, so you could trade better. You could be like, all right, I can get long here, TP here. I don't have to guess. Up, get long, and then be like, let me move my stop because it's gonna go. No, you just chill. It's gonna give you that calmness in the chart. That's how I took it.
But the game changer though, in the mornings that listen, them range ones, know what a range one was, and I know you on that. That was key. So I won't get hit
Oh,
with an
now
uppercut.
Zay know. Now Zay know what it is. He like,
Yep. Hit
eh?
with an uppercut, hit with a left, hit with a right. Wondering why I keep losing. I'm the whole time I shouldn't be trading those days. Or that part. So those key things.
Es-
Definitely.
Especially when all dual Silver Bullet used to say,
Yeah.
fair value got 10. And that shit just don't know nothing.
I used to be like, yo, why my fair
That's
value?
the Silver Bullet is supposed to work. No, nigga, we're in a range one. Not supposed to work.
I'm like, yo, why my fair value gap not working?
Right.
Whole time, that's another word for it, right now.
Zay already finished his homework.
Yeah, it ain't take long, bro. I knocked it out in a couple. I did like 20 days and then had to get up. Then I did like another 20. Then did like the last whatever.
But it does.
I tell you what though, Strat King. I think, and shout out to Dre and them, but a lot of folks get tied up on perfection, so they want to make sure the exact day is right. That's why when I think it was somebody on the team, it was like, yo, for real, the point of the exercise is just so you understand the different type of days. You don't gotta. It's not like, oh, you're gonna get an 80% or 100%. Like, nigga, once I heard that, I was like, all right, cool. All right, this is a range one. If the shit looked close or total line, I picked the one I thought it was. Shit.
Yeah,
at least I know it. Well, I knew what it wasn't.
And Dre knows too, and Dre is squad leader, so you can see like it's really you supposed to have a certain percent of your days is supposed to be a certain day.
Yeah,
like, you can figure it out based on how many times you see it on the chart.
Mm-hmm. Bro, that's what I'm saying. Like that's what I'm saying. Like I could see some of the other people in the boot camp. They're like, "Well, what happens when this happened?" And this, I'm like, bro, it's like it ain't everything not about to fit in the box. Like they want it to be exactly how it say in the description.
you're right.
Like, bro,
Be open-minded.
it ain't always gonna be perfect, bro.
Yeah, man. I used to have a boy like that. He used to be like, "Yo, but this happened at this on my nigga. It's not gonna be like that." Yes, but people see price different. I guess think different. Can't fight that.
I think the one though.
Oh, here we go. I'm sorry, Zach.
Oh no, yeah, we pushing down. We going down now.
23 Quadree. Thank you.
Yo, I see it.
You see that? Yeah, this is the area I want. Go ahead, say.
I forgot what I was about to say.
Oh, my bad.
Talking about the homework.
No, you good. I'm looking for an entry myself though. I'm trying to see if we got down to my fib. Sure enough, did.
Oh, you feel now? Okay. Let's see.
Huh?
Your feet. Yeah.
Larry said he's short.
Oh, Larry. Hey, Larry, are you temporarily cautious or you looking for highs at this point? Let me hear your thoughts, bro. I think you came a little later when we were talking about that.
He did.
Here we go.
Yeah, Larry, you the deciding factor because I'm in the middle.
Yeah, so we got Jay bullish, Strat King super bullish, Say bullish, I'm Bear, Quadree neutral, and Mike is neutral, or I don't know.
He neutral.
Mike neutral. Yeah, Mike neutral. So.
Damn, that gold trade was popping. You could have caught the short order long. It don't matter.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, go be pop. Yep.
Larry said, "I'm looking for highs. I need to see a pullback strong enough to give momentum to the momentum to break highs."
Do you see
So sounds like he's a buyer.
at this point, or you want it lower first? What up, Cody?
It sounds like you want to see a pullback
What's
down
good,
to
my
now.
G?
That's good.
I'm reading what he put. He said, "I'm looking for highs, but I need to see a pullback strong enough to give momentum to break." So basically, he's saying he want a pullback to buy.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I
Yeah.
want. So we're in the same band. Yeah.
No, Dre, you like bear, bro. he
I want to
just
see a
saying,
ten
let me get a
percent.
little
All right,
dippy
the
dip so I can
question
buy
is
that thing and go
ask
higher.
Larry what level.
Dre,
Larry, what
you like a bear, bro.
Larry, what level are you looking for? That's a better question.
Okay.
He said, so at this point, I want lower. Okay.
Yeah.
Where
That's
where
ten
you
percent.
what's the low you he said, all right, there you go. He said, I want buy zone around 24,330.
Hey, that's my guy. Let's go. Let's talk about. Let me see that.
That is
24. What?
that's the weekly 20. That's like about a weekly 20 email.
Yeah. There you go. That's all
Yeah,
I want.
that's
That's it.
Bro, that is
That's what
not
I
no
want.
weekly
no
20 EMA,
that's
bro.
my bad. That's the 10 week. I mean, 10,
I was like, dog, the weekly 20 EMA is down there at 20 is like
no, that's my
23,800.
sorry about that's my 10-day email on a weekly.
Okay.
I can see though.
Why is it 24?
I see where Larry at with it. I see where Larry at with it.
Bro, 26, 300.
I
That's
mean,
right
he want to
here.
take out last week low. Yeah,
Bro.
he just basically talking about retesting the low of last Friday or the Friday sell off.
Yeah, the low from 10-10.
This is what you want right here?
Yeah,
330.
yeah. The
Nah.
October 10th.
I'm scared to wake up and see where we're gonna be at.
I want it here. Got that.
Wait, what's that?
Like I said, Dre, you a bear, bro. You was a bear, boy.
That's what I'm at. Let's go.
Yeah.
2,000 points.
Dre
Real
like
fast.
ain't gonna be. Yeah, Dre don't want no Santa rally. Dre said, "Fuck it, it's over. The top is in."
Top until March.
He said,
I
"Risk
take
off."
it.
Top
Yeah,
is
we
in.
are on risk off. Nah.
But we not, bro.
I'm in for the year.
If you
I'm
using
look
guys
this
shit.
This shit looking.
If you
double
using
top.
if you using your boys thing, that joint say stagflation, bro. You gotta understand, like a true risk off, Bitcoin's under 100K. We not even there yet, Dre.
No, we're not. No, you're right.
So that's why I'm like right now we are just
Bro, we break this low, it's over, bro.
I that's what I'm saying. We break that low from Friday this late into the year. Like I keep saying,
Nah,
if we
fine.
go back down and if we break that low this late into the year, you could kiss Q4 rally goodbye. I don't care what at that point, I don't care what nobody say. If we break that low, it's the top is in.
You think? Well, a double top. That could be.
Then we gotta look to see
Yes,
when last time we made a top
it's
in
so
October.
clear.
That double
You
top
said
looking
what?
popping.
When last time we made a top in October.
Yeah.
You said what happened, Quadree?
We had to look to see when the last time we made a top in October.
I think it would be. I would say it would be 2018.
Let me ask ChatGPT. I'm over here.
It's probably
How you do your proofing, Zay?
You just measure the high and the low. Larry said no Q4 rally still. I don't believe it. I don't believe it, Larry. If we go take out that low, ain't that shit
We
dead.
can do
I'm
this.
sorry. That shit is dead. That shit is dead. One thing I'm good at, bro, is understanding momentum. And it's going to take a lot of momentum to get back down to that Friday low. And if we go beyond that, you telling me November, December, it's nah. I don't see it happening, bro. That shit's dead. That shit is dead. Because at that point, you basically saying earnings season. That's what I keep going to, bro. For me, it's also justification. So at this point, if you saying we're gonna go back and test that means earnings season gonna be shit. What's your justification for us to rally November, December?
Trump and
how we just sat here and everybody think he ain't gonna be able, he ain't gonna be able to get the China deal. If that's dead, it's over, bro.
Now, if I want to be where we get a case with this Netflix is a theme for all the major players.
You said who? It's not though. It's not though, because people always try to do that with Netflix, and it's never the case. Like they try to use Netflix as like that early barometer, but it never pans out. And they missed. They actually missed.
They did.
Like it wasn't like they beat and then it just got sold off. Nah, they actually missed. So if a company like Meta, they don't miss and they blow guidance out the water, I don't think Meta tanks. Like Meta probably on its way to 800-900 if that's the case.
I'm long, bro. I'm low NQ. My fault. I took this long.
Trade on the ES.
Yeah, let's go.
Carl's in the building. What's good, Carl?
That's my guy.
Bro, the best thing is we just gotta wait to let it see play out, bro.
That's our car. Car, you bullish for the end of the year rally, or are you bearish? Let's see. Car be knowing too. Where you at with it, Car? Blow off top. I know he like that.
I think Carl bullish.
Full port. Yeah, Car bullish. I know Car bullish.
I think Carl bullish. Carl don't want. He know bad. He been saying market been eating up bad news. He consistently say that here on the show.
Yeah, he been on it. Blow off top. Yeah, I know. Yeah, blow off top. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You seen the new meme coin we trading, Car? You seen this freaking bra? You seen gold today? Shit.
He said he called gold a meme coin.
I was like, what are you talking about?
I was thinking the same thing when he said that shit. I was like, what? Meme coin? What are you talking about?
This gold trade like a meme coin, bro. This shit crazy. I play when it's obvious. That's okay.
I agree, bro.
So what's 550 on QQQ? What that translate to NQ?
You said who?
550 on QQQ. How you translate that to NQ?
What you mean?
Like QQQ, I want to see 550 get touch. What would that translate on NQ? What would that be?
God
what
damn.
level? 20? What?
Hell no. If the QQQ got down to 550.
Yeah.
Let me see. From where it is right now. That's what I'm saying, bro. You talking about 550, dog. That shit is not about to happen in no flash crash.
The NQ will be, thank you, Strat King. The NQ will be at 22,756.
That?
I was just gonna say you just gotta use percentages. You gotta understand, Dre. You saying 5? That's just do a 10% drop because 550 is a 10% drop.
Yeah, 10% drop. Okay.
So from where NQ
drop,
is right now,
that's what I want to see.
10%.
Yeah.
You do 10%.
22,756.
Bro, 10% on the NQ is down to that's 22,800. I'm telling you right now, NQ go down that low, no end of the year rally. Cancel
Top
Christmas.
is in. Okay.
Top is in.
Top is in.
Cancel
guys.
Christmas, bro. Because you got to think about if the NQ go down to 22,000 or 10%, that means Apple negative year to date, Amazon negative year to date, Meta negative, or Meta probably barely positive. Nvidia probably back to 160, 150. Google probably back down to 225, 210. What else? Yeah. Mag 7 getting cooked. That's all I'm gonna say. Mag 7 gets absolutely cooked if we go down 10%.
Okay. Wow. Yes.
Absolutely cooked.
Nice. Getting interesting.
Y'all talking about y'all basically giving y'all saying this about to be a 2018 fourth quarter.
Wasn't that Trump first year? No, second midterm, right?
No, I think that was his first year. That was basically, and the funny thing is that was when he had a tariff war with China. That's the funniest thing about it.
Yo, Zay, stop playing with me.
Let me grab my stuff on that real quick though.
That's the funniest thing about it. Literally, that's back when he had a tariff war with fucking China. That was the first tariff war with China or trade war with China.
I got it. Okay, so this is my thing. I don't know. You could correct me if I'm wrong, but usually the market bottoms during mid-teen years. That's
hey, yo, hear your favorite book, Dreas.
Best Loser Win. Yeah.
Y'all go cop that. You want to be an awesome trainer. Let me stop. Let's see what this say though.
You can get on board with that. With what? What are we talking about, Car?
That's what I was wondering. Get on board with what?
I like that, yo, Zay. Dang, now you made me think. That's what? Last time we had trade war was 2018, and we had a top in October. Wow. Oh, Zay and Q take your take on NQ. He likes that. What you were saying. If we drop that much, that means Apple and all of that is gonna be negative for the year.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like it's over. My nigga, if we go down that far, it's cancel Christmas, bro.
Yeah.
Cancel Christmas.
Looking like yeah, it don't show on here. I gotta take my blurriness off. But it's looking like the back in October could be spooky.
You said it, but
the back in October historically could be spooky.
Spooky?
I ain't looking this thing all year. Not about it. That's crazy. I even had it. You had to pull out the almanac to solve this debate.
Oh, my boy on it. Hold up.
Ooh.
You seen Quadree? I never seen that guy so serious.
So tomorrow, the 22nd, it says late October is time to buy depressed stocks, especially tech and small caps.
I don't know. I'm not there.
No, no. I'm just reading what it say. This thing don't be right all the time. You start listening, you be broke.
Right. I was about to say that joint. I ain't looked at an almanac in a minute.
Look, you can say like the 22nd.
Mm-hmm.
No, I bought this book. When I first bought this book, I started buying this in 2018. This is when I first, started really getting into stuff. I'm thinking, yo,
Yeah.
this is about to make me rich.
Sight. That's the wrong best. Damn. What damn, man?
I don't know, man. I think it's very clear, bro. Earnest season got to show us the way. Either you make the move.
Okay, we have an important date coming up.
Oh yes, we do.
October 28th is the 96th anniversary of the 1929 crash. That was down historically
So who?
23%, 2 days. October 29th. They're saying that we're a couple of days away. Was it next Tuesday? Away from the 96th anniversary of the 1929 crash.
Black Swan said on the compound yesterday, their guests were breaking down the stats on why it's likely that the high comes in December. I can get jiggy with that. I buy it every December for a sentimental collector reason.
Yeah, man, make you look smart, you know. That's what it is.
Damn almanac.
But listen, I haven't followed this and I've been making money, so
Bro, the gold is now down. It's green. Gold is green, dog.
silver green too. I got silver open too. It's green too.
What?
That's
Yo, bro.
Yo.
And that was a $3,000, and I didn't take that trade because it was a $3,000 wick.
Nah, man. This is not.
That's crazy, bro. Gold is green, dog. Well, not no more. It's flat, but sheesh.
Just look at that hour candle, yo. The wick is very crazy strong.
Dog, that shit is crazy, bro.
Don't you got DNA on your chart, bro?
What? DNA?
You got DNA on your chart, boy.
Nah, bro. I got some exclusive jokes. This guy.
The NQ formed a nice wick.
When China market about to open in a minute, ain't it?
China open? Yo, gold green for real? God damn. Isn't China
man.
open, really?
No, it opened at 9:30, so we got a little bit of while. But yeah, gold is now positive by 6 points.
That's wild. And pushing too. That's the crazy part.
Oh yeah, pushing aggressively. Like,
Oh damn, bro. But like, come on, bro. They give no setup to come in from though. That's the funny part.
Yeah.
You just gotta
get in where you fit in.
Nah, hell no. Not doing that. Yeah. This is the mean coin, bro.
I think the trigger was it hit last week open. Once it hit that open, it bounced.
It's pushing hard so.
Oh, it's gonna take out all that sell. It's about to take all that selling back. Oh,
So I'm waiting.
Bro, what?
11. Damn, I'm not gonna be up at that time.
That whole it's coming all the way back up to 41.37, bro.
Damn. Yo, Quadree, this shit wildin'. Oh my god.
That's why I'm out.
Shit, it might go higher than 41.37. Keep it a buck. It's likely. See, this is why I wanted it to do was retrace first. He said, "Beware, my wife is looking to buy some, and top could be close."
Oh my god. I'm still long in queue, by the way. I'm on $300. Mm-hmm.
Damn, boy, gold is wild, bruh.
I'm telling you, this is the new NQ. The new NQ Asia is gold. You just gotta get, you know, in a good spot. Hmm.
We pushing, right?
NQ push. Hell yeah.
We
Yeah.
at 230, 235.
But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, about to hit TP. See. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna take profit. Yes, sir. Yeah, quick cash flow for the day. $480. Yeah, I'm green for the night.
Yep.
Quick cash flow, yeah. Not forcing nothing.
Yeah, man. I don't like you said. I don't like none of these setups tonight, bro. It ain't.
But yeah, only reason I got
gold
on
would have been
Q,
the one.
yeah,
Gold
it's
was the
because
trade.
this is the love for New York session, and we
Yeah,
came and test.
we took
It
it out.
swings hot. No, we came and test like those area right here. I was looking for a 23s or 20s, and we got it. That was my trigger, and 15 points. That's all I need.
That's it.
Right there. Nothing crazy. I know it's not sexy, but it paid the bills. Yeah. Yeah. Call. Hmm.
Looking to see if I can get that there. Damn. Gold was popping. All right.
Oh, I just saw a new. That might be bullish. So it say here,
India U.S. trade deal.
yes. You saw that? Yeah. That's bullish.
Yeah, it's been. India U.S. trade deal progress. A report says India may quietly reduce Russian oil imports, allows some corn, soy meal imports, a key U.S. condition, main terms of the agreement set Final talks possibly concluding at the APEC. Yeah, I guess that'll give us. I guess that'll give you a little push.
NTB pushing. NBT. Bitcoin. Don't touch.
I don't think that's really bullish for Bitcoin though.
Not. Yeah. I mean, the first green candle I see all day.
That's true.
You know me. So, go about to take that high. Ain't no way, bro. The fuck?
Nah. I told you it's going to 41.37, bro.
Yeah.
Gold is a mean player, boy.
Yeah. So,
but you know, when something drop that fast like that, it usually don't be sustainable like that.
Yeah, suspect, right? Mm-hmm.
Well, at least after a 5% day, like the shit was down 5-6%. I'm like, that's why I made the joke. I'm like, oh damn, at this rate, it's gonna have a down 10% week. Like, come on, man, you knew that joint was about that joint bounce.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Shit, man. How much longer y'all want to go, fellas? I'm gonna, I gotta take it down early. Nigga I gotta be up early. I be getting my sleep.
That's good.
I done made my move, so
yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, bet. Well, we about to cut this short. I got to be up at 5:00, 5:30 for boot camp, so I'm trying to get me some sleep. On that note, we'll be back tomorrow, same time, 7:15. We're gonna wrap it up. I think Quadree, you was 1 for 1, 2 for 2, or really just 1 for 1 because you just took the gold trade, right?
He took a home run and a triple in a one trade.
Yeah. Right. And then Dre, you took you just caught that long. So
yeah, little cash flow, yeah.
Yes, sir. Well, man, Strat King, I see you in the morning, brother. Everybody else, we'll catch y'all tomorrow evening. Deuce.
I see you, car leader.